Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome into the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel on a Monday. Today is August 20th, 2018. I did not plan on having a video for tonight, only earlier's video, but it looks like eBay's crack developer website team has struck again, and a lot of you received emails from eBay saying that you have an outstanding invoice that's still due, even though you have auto payment set up that's coming out of your PayPal or your bank account. This email is a glitch. Woohoo, imagine that. You can disregard it. You don't owe eBay money, unless you actually do owe eBay money because you had no money in PayPal or your bank account. In that case, pay your bill. But for most of you, that email was false. You don't owe them any money. Ignore it, just disregard it. And of course, you don't have to call eBay and sit on hold for 3 hours was the last I heard of the wait time, unless they double charge your account. Go pay attention to your PayPal and bank account. Make sure they weren't double charging you and taking the fees again. Otherwise, you should be good. Disregard the email. I have confirmed it was a glitch, an error. Again, eBay's really getting frustrating. Like, that's obnoxious. Like, you guys can't even get that right. Come on. Anyways, let me show you on my computer what the email looked like in case you didn't get it yet and you end up getting it tonight or tomorrow. You'll know to disregard it. Let's go over to my computer. I have a screenshot of it, and I'll show you guys.
Okay, so here's the email a lot of you would have received. You can see it's directly from eBay. This was inside of your messages as well. Please pay your eBay seller fees. Dear so-and-so, I've blacked it out, of course. Your eBay seller fees of $6.06 on your so-and-so account are due by your invoice due date to keep your account in good standing, etc., etc. Or preferably, you can log into eBay directly and go to the My eBay tab, etc., and then it gives, you know, what if I don't pay my fees and all that such. Just ignore it. Disregard the email. Disregard the message. Unless you haven't actually paid your fees, then please don't be a deadbeat and pay them. If for any reason eBay or PayPal double charges you, either your PayPal account or your backup funding source, which in most cases will be your actual bank account, your Bank of America or SunTrust or whatever you have, keep an eye on those for the next few days, the next week. Sometimes my fees don't automatically come out until like the last couple days of the month. So keep an eye out on that. And if for any reason that happens, call eBay right away and have them reverse it. That way your bank account doesn't get overdrawn, or you don't have money come out that you didn't expect, or you're not short on, you know, rent money or whatever it is that you have to pay with that money. You wouldn't want them to take, you know, $200 or $300 out of your PayPal account or out of your bank account, and then all of a sudden you don't know where that money went. So keep an eye. You should be good though. They shouldn't debit you. They're not supposed to. It's just an error. Just the email that's sent out as an error. So all good to go. Appreciate all the emails and messages. You guys are amazing. As soon as something happens, you guys literally flood my box with it. So thank you for that. And everyone can stand down and relax. We should be good to go. On another note, thanks a lot once again, eBay. You guys suck. You suck at these glitches. These glitches suck. You guys have got to fix it. Get your crap together. Okay, that's all. Have a wonderful night, everybody. Please like the video, don't shoot the messenger, and make sure you're subscribed to this channel for any updates like this as quickly as I can possibly get them out to you. Good night, everyone.